And just like that, we are back on one. Gotta set the phone down to reel. It's another good one. It's another good one. I've seen him already. He came up and splashed me. Of course. None of them have manners. Ooh, we're going on a sleigh ride. We are going on a sleigh ride, y'all. Okay, he's wanting to take me back out. Come on. Just come up to the surface again. Oh, he's wanting to go around the kayak. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I can feel him rolling. It's another good blue. We almost got our glimpses of him. Here he comes. He's still got fight in it. Oh, yeah, don't get it twisted. He's still. He's still plenty angry. Oh. Okay. Finally got that one up. This one is probably over 35 inches if I had to guess. This is very long. And he's very heavy. Let's see if we can get a good picture. Yes, another straight up behemoth. What a tank. Oh man. All right, let's let him go. He said he ain't waiting on me. There he goes.